So I'm Deborah Katz, and I've been teaching physics at the Naval Academy for over 20 years. I went to the University of Minnesota for graduate school, and my plan was to get a PhD in astrophysics, and I didn't think much about teaching. I thought, well, of course I'll be a professor one day, but I didn't think about the teaching part. Fortunately, there are a lot of people at University of Minnesota who are interested in education, and they applied for a grant for graduate students to learn how to teach. I was a teaching assistant, and I was partnered with another graduate student who was in the education department. So I really learned how to teach, and I discovered that I liked doing research, but I was passionate about teaching. As a graduate student, I learned about active learning environments. I practiced it, I got feedback immediately. When I went off to become a professor, I didn't have to discover that. I didn't expect that I would lecture because I knew better. I think a lot of people go off, become professors, and that's when they learn to teach, whereas I had already learned all that. The students at the Naval Academy are called midshipmen. They are very patriotic. They really want to serve their country. They want to become leaders. They are not narrowly focused on academics. They have a broad range of interests. What that means is that my physics class is full of all sorts of students. I have history majors and engineering majors in the same class. I am intimately connected with every aspect of their learning. When they have a problem and they can't understand physics, they come to my office or stay after class. There isn't anyone else to turn to, so I really get to see how they think. And after 20 years, I think I know what struggles students really go through as they try to learn this very difficult material.